So you go into your ads and extensions, and we're at the campaign level. Extensions. So we want to create some. So we're going to do site link. So the ones that I recommend you use, and you can use all of them, it's totally up to you, but this is the kind of standard that we use. Site link, call out, structured snippet, call extension, very important. You can use message extension, which is you can get text messages from leads. We've seen them convert high on some clients and seen them convert really shitty on others, so it really depends. Location's a good one. Then you got your affiliate location extension, price extension, app extension, promotion, stuff like that. So we just stick usually to, depending on the client, I should say, site link extension, call out, structure snippet, call. Those are the main four that you must have. Everything else is just gravy. And location too is a really good one, depending if they actually have a location. They're not targeting United States and they're in like Chicago. You might want to not use it for that. It depends. It's usually your discretion. It's more for local stuff that we would drop those in, or you can do it at the ad group level too. So it doesn't really matter. Anyway, site link, let's just add them in here. You can choose to do it at the account, campaign, ad group. So we're going to do it at this campaign. So site link could be for our roofer, request a quote, and then we'll just grab our URL for our XYZ roofing. Come back over here, we'll drop that down here. And that's it. You have your tracking template stuff you can add down here. Request a quote, you can have option to do descriptions. It's really up to you. You can. We like to do mobile though, a lot of mobile, because mobile usually converts a lot higher for us. So we kind of just grab this and use it as mobile. I mean, ideally you want to have both. So you could do request quote mobile. Request a quote. And make sure this one's not mobile. So now you got an option for mobile and one for non-mobile. And you want to have four to six. It's up to you. I would either do 4 or do 6, just the way the Google algorithm shows them. So that's how you would add those. Now, if you wanted to add a different, like a call-out extension, you would come in here, call out. Remember, choose where you want them. Campaign, create. Call-out is 24/7 plus weekends or whatever. Basically, you just want to use the ad extensions, all of them. You want to use them as call to actions, like to make yourself stand out. You know what I mean? Like from the competition, that's where you want to be. So you can add call out, structured snippet, and do that down here. So you can select the header type. We can do brands that you can kind of get here, your services, styles, types. So types could be types of roof, like rubber roof, shingle, whatever. Service catalog, your services, your residential, commercial, or roof repair, replacement, whatever. You can do that there. And this one's important too. Call extension is going to show your phone number when you click the call in the mobile search. So what's really important about this is whatever number you use, which is another reason why you need to have call rail set up to track phone calls, is you have to have the number that you're using in call extension here has to be somewhere on the landing page, or else Google will disapprove it. So usually we just create a one-off tracking number and then drop it in the footer of every landing page we use, so we never run into any issues. And that's really it for that.